I love Matariki. I love how busy it is and how many positive kaupapa are always on.
Matariki for me personally was my family took a lot of pride in preparations and celebration of Matariki.
So on today's menu we're going to be cooking titi, which is mutton bird.
Well, for Matariki it's the celebration of the Maori New Year.
We do this as a hobby and we enjoy it, and we believe that kai is the only thing that really brings whānau to the table.
Time to celebrate, get out there and to community events and really what we would say get amongst it.
Today I'm going to be cooking flounder patiki. It's my favourite fish.
All of New Zealand should have this time in the middle of the year where we can just, it's almost like our own Thanksgiving.
Storytelling, I think, is directly related to Matariki.
Be careful. Tamarua, the father of all of the things under the sea. He don't like you, boy. Tuli goes, come away.
We've come from an oral tradition, and so it is another way that our tupuna practice the transmission and transfer of knowledge about history and about tikanga and about kawa to future generations.
Matariki for me is a time for us to be able to celebrate Kapa Haka and all the other types of performing arts that we have.
Hey,